Hi. So, in this course of electromagnetic engineering, in the previous session, we have seen about coordinate systems. Especially, we have talked about two-dimensional coordinate systems, which are rectangular and polar coordinates. Also, we have seen that how can we represent a point in rectangular and polar coordinates, and how can we convert the given points from any coordinates to given coordinate systems. Also, we have seen conversion of any vector from rectangular to polar and vice versa. So that was about a 2D coordinate system we have seen so far. Now we take an example of 3D coordinate system. So we are going to talk about the extension of polar coordinate system, which is nothing but the cylindrical coordinate system. The reason we talk about 2D coordinate as polar, the z component remains same for rectangular or cylindrical coordinates. So we are going to just extend that idea of 2D coordinates in cylindrical coordinate system. So we're going to start with spherical coordinate systems. So spherical coordinate system is mostly used when we want to analyze the electromagnetic field in a free space. When we want to identify how field propagates in a free space or any other dielectric medium, it is feasible to choose a spherical coordinate system. So due to symmetry, it is easier to analyze the electromagnetic field in free space. So for that purpose, we're going to analyze all the electromagnetic waves in spherical coordinate. So we're going to talk about spherical coordinates. How can we assign direction to different coordinates of spherical system? So that will be assigned with the unit vectors. So we see the unit vector representation, not necessarily only represent it, but we also convert it to xyz or rho phi z coordinates too. So that is the conversion of given coordinates from spherical to other coordinates. And as I mentioned that the application of spherical coordinates, why it is essential to understand spherical coordinates. So that is what we are going to talk about in this particular session. Thank you.